They came back home from the exile road, started new lives, tried to lift the load, built their own walls, fixed their own doors, but the house of God stayed broken on the floor. Days were busy, hands were full, but something inside was growing dull. The heavens were dry, the ground gave less. God was calling through the emptiness. Go up the mountain, bring the wood, build my house and I know what is good. Not just stone, not just flame. God was calling hearts back to his name. Build your house in me, Lord, again. Take the highest place above all men. More than the work of these human hands. You are the center, you are the plan. Build your house in me, make me whole. Be the fire inside my soul. When I seek your glory more than my own, peace will rise where your love is known. Haggai spoke to a distracted land. Think of your ways, understand. You plant so much, but harvest is small, because God's not first in the heart of it all. It wasn't only beams and stone, it was about returning to the throne. The temple stood for its holiness, a sign of worship, love, and reverence. Yeah, check your priorities, what's filling your sight. What takes first place from the morning to night? A roof on your house, but your spirit runs dry. Cause nothing stands right when God's pushed aside. Yeah, he's not just asking for bricks in a frame, he's calling the people back close to his name. Obedience opens what striving can't win. When God is the center, his peace enters in. Yeah. Then came a promise bigger than before. The latter house will hold greater glory more. Beyond the temple, beyond that day, God was preparing a deeper way. Christ would come, the true temple revealed, broken and raised, so redemption is sealed. Now by the Spirit his people stand, temples of mercy by his own hand. So search my heart for divided ground, for every place when you've been crowded out. Call me back to the holy start. Build your dwelling deep in my heart. Build your house in me, Lord, again. Take the highest place above all men. More than the work of these human hands. You are the center, you are the plan. Build your house in me, make me whole. Be the fire inside my soul. When I see your glory more than my own, peace will rise where your love is known. Not just a city, not only stone. You desire a people to call your own. Let my life be a place where your glory stays, a living temple of worship and praise. From ruined walls to a heart made new. Lord, Lord, rebuild my life.